Subject 3910. We've come to dance with you again, because there are quotas that we aren't keeping. We'll never meet them if you're left sleeping. And if the summer themes we beamed into your brain still remain, it's just the sound of silence. We kept you dreaming peaceful while we arranged our portal tiles neath our heartless masters' watchful eye. You'll cheat that for us to analyze, or you'll be stabbed by the spikes of a moving wall that crush your skull. There's just the sound of silence. And when you reach the exit door,